Hey guys, my name is Ayla Daniel. I welcome you to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to teach you how you can create custom email address from your cPanel. So, in this course, you'll be able to after the end of the course, actually, you will be able to create custom email address from your cPanel on any of your website for any of your website. Okay, so now let's proceed by logging into our respective cPanel. I'm logging into my cPanel. Yeah, and then I'm on my cPanel dashboard at the moment, so I need to look for email account. Email account. Yeah. So we click on email accounts because we want to create a custom email account. Yeah, these are random email accounts associated with the hosting, the cPanel actually. What we need to do, now we're able to create our own custom email address. We need to create a new custom email address by clicking on create a new email. And then like I said earlier, we have domains on this cPanel. So we need to filter out the website you want to create custom emails for. So let's select a domain flashtech.tech. I run flashtech.tech, and then I want to create a custom email for flashtech.tech, probably a contact email. So let's take for instance our username could be, should it hello or contact? Okay, let's use hello. Um, hello at flashtech.tech, and then let's create a password as well. Um, that's strong enough. And then the storage space can actually be up to 10 gig, but I advise we go for limited, yeah, for some certain reasons. And then let's click on create. This will automatically create a new custom email address. Hello at flashtech.tech. Now we have successfully created our custom email. So how about if we want to send and receive emails with this new email? This is the hello at flashtech.tech. So we can actually log into our webmail by visiting www.flashtech.tech/webmail. Yeah, this will take us to a platform, a page where we can actually log in to our webmail. Yeah, remember our webmail username is hello at flashtech.tech, and then our password. Let's log in. Yeah, we just perform some magic, and then we just successfully created a custom email address from our cPanel. Wow, this is interesting actually. Yeah, we have successfully created a custom email address directly from our cPanel, and then you can start sending and receiving emails with this custom email address. Yeah, so that's all you need to know about how to create a custom email address via the cPanel. If you have questions, you can send them to me via the comments box below. And then don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share. Yeah, I see you around in my next YouTube course. Thank you, and God bless you.